Alright guys, Rocky here with another Yu-Gi-Oh! Opening video. This is probably the last Yu-Gi-Oh! Opening video until my move, other than the next one, which will be the Egyptian God Decks Showcase with some mail. But yeah, so these are the last packs really. I just got them at GameStop and Target. As you can see behind, there's no setup because I'm moving, gonna be finishing up my college. So let's start off with some of the newer, or some of the older stuff. Lightning Overdrive. It's not old, but it's definitely one of the last main sets. And then we got King's Court, which is a very new side set. So let's see what we can open. Lightning Overdrive. We got ZW Pegasus Twin Saber. I don't think I actually pulled that. I don't know. Terrors Underroot, Springen's Judgment, and Branded in White. Another card for the Albez archetype. I'll just put that hollow right there. Next pack. Yeah, I went to Target and GameStop, and I found these packs at GameStop and the deck at Target. So Yamori, Springen's Judgment, Scrap Raptor, and a Lena the Light Charmer. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's I love the Charmers. So Amaze ZS. Okay, now, yeah, let's open this one first. Pharaoh's Rare, God cards look really freaking awesome in this set. I really love to pull one. Maybe not necessarily the secret rare, because that one's apparently really hard to pull, but maybe one of the ultra rares. That would be really nice. Rescue Rabbit, Arcana Joker, Constellar M7, the Wicked Dreadroot. I didn't know this was getting reprinted, and Eraser, Golden Eyes Token, and a Tendangle Dolls. I did not even know any Tendangles were in here. Golden Eyes Idol is really nice though. I like that pull. Yeah, just set the pulls that I really like on that. Last pack, can we pull something more than a super? Guess that's a good luck. There we go. Oh my god, no. I think I just spoiled it somewhat. ZW Ultimate Shield. Rescue Rabbit. Another Wicked Dreadroot. Constellar M7. Stardust Xiaolong. Gravekeeper's Spy. And Reinforcements of the Army's Collector's Rare. Oh my gosh, that looks sick, dude. Oh, look at all that texture. Wow, I pulled myself a collector's rare. That's pretty sweet. Nice. That looks really cool. This is like one of my favorite rarities ever now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this in a good sleeve. Dang. 2-pack Magic, pulling myself a freaking collector's rare. Wow, definitely a good opening today. Just 2 packs. Pulled myself a collector's rare. But yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the opening. Comment what you'd like to see me open in the future on this channel. And subscribe for more. But as always, keep making those awesome pulls. Rocky out.